reasons for going back, and the first was to meet Chris's family, and the other was that I wanted my daughters to see where I was born and lived for several years. While in Guyana, I met Stella, Chris's mom, and his grandfather, whom I was told was a part of Chris's life from birth. Chris's mom and his grandfather, they welcomed me and my family into their home. I had a brief conversation with Chris's grandfather, and he asked me to promise to always watch over Chris. I gave him my word and told him that watching over Chris was the easiest thing for me. I also told him that Chris is a remarkable young man that adapts to any situation and makes himself lively and happy at all times. Even though I had only met the grandfather once, I was very emotional and sad when he died last year. I did everything to make sure that Priya and Chris went to Guyana to say goodbye to him. Chris, you have married a young woman that will definitely keep you on your toes. I am more than happy to say that young woman is my daughter Priya. Priya is plenty rough around the edges.